All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. The folks over at Subcase sent over their brand new Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Z Flip 5. Also have it for the Z Fold 5 as well. This video, let me take a look at for the Z Flip 5. Now, I appreciate them sending this over. We'll check it out. They are a reputable brand, and, you know, they always bring the thunder when it comes time to, please note, inserting face up will damage the holster. So do not do that. All right. Let's get this off. This is the way this holster needs to be used with the device. All right. Get this out. All the little pieces. Okay. Okay. I'll give you a little bit of Little John. I think that's his name. All right. Now let's get this one here, and then we'll let's clean the phone up before we pop that first part in. We want it to be nice and clean. Let's put it here, and then we're gonna go ahead and pull this extra tab here and keep it sticky. We don't want to touch anything on here. I'm gonna go straight on like this. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh. Beautiful. Got hinge protection now on them. I see you. I see you with the hinge protection. Okay. Okay. Boom. There it is. Super simple. This phone having the front display like this, folks, is killer. And this case just really, I've always said, one of the reasons I like this flip phone right here, this folding device, because of how compact it is, you can put this rugged style case on it and it's still compact. Now, looking at the back of the phone here, you got your kickstand. Ooh, got it. That's just sick. That's just how it is. Boom, boom. Everybody gonna rock with the kickstand. Now, on the back here, kickstand, hinge protection, got like this little fold. And the fact that this hinge is flatter, that's why they can do probably a better hinge support on here. Because, you know, if the hinge sticks out too much, the case is going to be really super bulky. But nonetheless, nice little carbon fiber fold look there. Same thing around the sides. Your fingerprint reader button is right there. Nice deeply recessed and slanted right there. So you can get in there and see if it actually is going to read properly. Bottom here, speaker cutouts and everything. Microphone cutouts, all three of those are cut out. And you got your Type-C port there. And on this side, just carbon fiber all down the front here. And grip, little texture around here. Perfectly cut out, shaped for this screen. And as it should be. It should be. Now the camera cutout right here, you can see. Nice little recess on there. So I can put this any kind of way I want to, and it's gonna work right. That is a beautiful, beautiful look, man. I'm so feeling this. This is so nice. All right, had to pause for a minute. Had to look for my wireless charger. Now, this phone obviously has wireless charging. This case will work with wireless charging, but the phone is 100% charged, and so it's not going to show anything. So I'll turn the screen off, and it's going to say fully charged. As you can see right there, it says fully charged. So there you go, 100%. So it does wireless charge with this case, so you don't have to worry about that. And there it is, folks. So again, when you're putting this inside of this is how it needs to be. So you do not damage the case, just like this. Perfect, right? This is really nice. Give it a little, always give it a little push in that area right there. And I push down on this area at the same time, just like that. Now, as far as the outer display functionality, everything works the same. Yeah. Everything works. Good to go. I actually like this full display right here. You guys know I do have the Fold 5. I picked it up recently, and I'll be giving you some content on this with one of their cases as well, because I do have their case. I have multiple. Okay. But it's your man Jay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. You can see your gestures still work great. You know, the fingerprint reader works good. Having the case open, this part is protecting the hinge. It's just a really good look. And then if you want a video call or something like that, boom, here you are. You are good to go. You can video chat or do whatever you want to do. If you wanted to watch a movie also in this orientation, like if you just wanted to pull up your favorite YouTuber, Jay Will, and load up one of his videos, you could do so. You just go into his content. Let me get into his videos and play his video for you. My phone's gonna troll me. Anyway, you can do it. You can watch a video just like this. You can do whatever you want to do. Wi-Fi wasn't on. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is a beautiful case. It really brings this phone to life, and I can really appreciate it. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.